Welcome back, students. Here new topic is there: calculation of total assets, opening and closing capital, and profit and loss. From question number 1 to question number 17, that is of a particular accounting equation table form. So we did all the questions, right? Now we have to see some other variety of questions, right? Now see question number 18. See, what is the question? If the capital of a business is 3 lakhs and liabilities are 50,000, loss is 70,000, calculate the total assets of a business. Firstly, we have to see what is the equation. Our equation is assets is equals to liabilities plus capital, right? Liabilities plus capital. This is our equation. Now we have to see here what they are saying, that capital is 3 lakhs, right? And liabilities are 50,000. Okay, liabilities are 50,000 and loss is 70,000. We all know that if the loss is there, then where we have to treat the loss? We all know that loss we are going to treat in the capital only. And with the effect of loss, the level of capital is going to decrease. So that's why here we have to decrease the level of capital. So it comes to 2,30,000. Hope this point is very clear to all of you. Clear? Now, what is the requirement of question? The requirement of question is we have to find the assets, total assets. Now, if we will add liabilities and capital, then this total is equals to this total. Got the point? So, 230 plus 50 is equals to 2,80,000 is our amount of assets. That is total asset. Got the point? Hope this question is very simple and this question is very clear to all of you. Clear? Now we will see question number 19. Right? Now we will see question number 19. See, if total assets of a business are 1,30,000. So here I am again writing 1,30,000 total assets. Clear? And net worth, we already discussed net worth, equity, shareholders fund. These are the names of capital only. Clear? So capital is 80,000. Here we have written 80,000. Calculate the creditors. We all know that creditors are a part of liabilities. Creditors are a part of liabilities. So here what the question is saying, you have to find out the amount of liability. How we will find? If assets is equals to liabilities plus capital, and this we have to find, what we will do? We will say that liabilities is equals to assets minus capital. Got the point? What is the amount of asset? 1,30,000 less 80,000. So it comes to 50,000 as the amount of creditors or liabilities. Clear this point? This question is clear to all of you? Right. Now, next question, question number 20. Now see the next question, question number 20. Now, A commenced his cloth business on 1st April 2018 with a capital of rupees 30,000. Right? Opening capital, right? If capital is mentioned, means if in the question it is mentioned that 1st April that means that is opening. 31st March, that means that is closing. Here the opening capital is 30 and the closing assets. Here I want to tell you something. Whenever you are going to put this equation, keep this thing in mind. You have to see like this. Closing assets is equals to closing liabilities plus closing capital. See, closing assets is equals to closing liabilities plus closing capital. If in your question opening capital is there or opening assets or opening liabilities are there, then you have to see this, that whatever the content we are going to write, that is of closing only, right? You will not do this thing that somewhere you have taken closing assets and somewhere you have taken closing liabilities and somewhere you have taken opening capital. Right now, in this way you will not get the proper answer. So whenever you are going to put the equation, whatever the closings are there, that closings you have to take. Everything closing. Everything on 31st March. 31st March asset, 31st March liability, 31st March capital. Now see the question. On 1st April 2018, capital is 30,000. That means this is not the closing capital. This is what? This is the opening capital. See, I am writing here. Opening capital. How much? 30,000. 30,000 is your opening capital. Now further, on 31st March, his assets worth rupees 50,000. Closing assets are there. Right? आप सब मेरी बात समझ गए ना अच्छे से? इक्वेशन जब लेना है ना तो क्लोजिंग के ही सब लेना. ऐसा नहीं कि ओपनिंग का एक जगह रख दिया आपने, वो गलत हो जाएगा. क्लोजिंग के ही सब लेने हैं. तो क्लोजिंग एसेट था तो मैंने क्लोजिंग एसेट ले लिया यहां पे. एंड लाइबिलिटीज 10,000. क्लोजिंग लाइबिलिटीज है 10,000 मैंने यहां ले लिया. फाइंड आउट हिज क्लोजिंग कैपिटल एंड प्रॉफिट अर्न्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल एंड प्रॉफिट. अब आप बताओ, if out of 3, 2 you are having, so is you are in a position to find the third item? Yes. So closing capital is equals to, we will write here closing assets, right now? Closing assets minus closing liabilities. How much? 50,000 less 10,000 is equals to 40,000 is your closing capital. Got the point? Got the point? Got the point. Now, who I am? I am a owner. Who you are? You as a business. Now listen. If at the time of opening, at the time of starting of the year, my capital is 30. This is opening capital, right? And after the year, at the very end of the year, my capital is 40. How my capital is increased? What are the reasons? How the owner's capital is going to increase? What are the reasons? Here question is demanding for you to calculate the profit, and we all know that the owner's capital is going to increase by the effect of profit. So we are going to say that the difference between the opening and closing is a profit. How you are going to find the profit? Closing capital less opening capital. Got the point? Hope you all are understanding. Right now, closing capital is 40 and opening capital is 30. So the level of profit is 10,000. See the question. Hope this question is very clear to all of you. Got the point? Shall we proceed to the next question? Right. Now we are proceeding to the next question. I am rubbing this question. Right. See the next question. Next question is question number 21. Our next question is question number 21. Now see the question. If capital of a business is 140, no problem. capital is 140, right? And the liabilities are 80. Okay, the liabilities are 80. What is the amount of asset? आप ही बताओ, what is the amount of asset? Two things are there, liabilities plus capital, known as asset. You add this, how much? You add this, how much? 2,20,000 is our amount of closing asset. Very simple question. See that question? Very simple question. No problem with this question. Clear. Now we are proceeding to question number 22. Question number 22. See the question. Now capital is 40,000. Okay, I am writing in the capital here 40,000. Right? Creditors 25,000. We all knows that creditors means liabilities. Got the point? Revenue means income. Okay, revenue means income. Income is 50,000. Revenue. This is revenue. And your expenses are of 40,000. 40,000 are our expenses. Okay, no problem. Clear. This is the information given in our question. Now see. We all know that if capital is there, but here they have not mentioned that this is the opening capital. But we all know that income and expenses, when we are going to do the business, at that particular year, some incomes and some expenses are there, right? That means this is the opening capital. That means this is the opening capital. Clear? आप ही जानते हैं अगर पूरे साल में आप बिजनेस करेंगे तो कुछ इनकम होगी, कुछ खर्चे होंगे. जब इनकम और खर्चे एडजस्ट कर दोगे कैपिटल में, तब जो बचेगा वो क्लोजिंग कैपिटल कहलाएगा. तो अगर एडजस्ट नहीं किया गया, इसका मतलब ये क्या होगा? दैट इज द ओपनिंग कैपिटल. क्लियर? नाउ विद द रेवेन्यूज the level of capital is going to increase, and with the expenses the level of capital is going to decrease. So at last we will get how much? 50,000. At last we will get 50,000. Now this 50,000 is my closing capital. Hope this point is very clear to all of you. Clear. Now 50 plus 25, that is 75,000, and this 75,000 is my asset. This is 75,000 is my closing asset or total asset, right? So in this video we have covered from question number 18 to question number 22. All the questions are very simple. In the next video we will cover the further question. Whatever doubts are there, mention in the comment section so that I'll answer, right? Thank you.